The streets were his home, but now the city is his kingdom. Burhane, once a man with nothing but a dream, now stands beside Lemon, a woman who saw the fire in his eyes. She gives him a blank check. He gives her $1 billion idea. Together, they are an unstoppable force, a whirlwind of ambition and energy tearing through the corporate world. Lemon's resources are the fuel, and Burhan's mind is the engine. They move fast, from sleek boardrooms to exclusive rooftop parties, their names whispered in awe by rivals and admirers alike. They conquer deal after deal, their synergy electric. He talks, she executes. His vision, her power. They are a perfect high-octane machine. Today is the day it all pays off. The ink is still wet on a contract so massive it reshapes industries. Champagne flows, the city lights sparkle below their penthouse office. Burhane catches his reflection in the floor-to-ceiling window. The man staring back is a stranger, dressed in a tailored suit, radiating a confidence he never knew he had. The hollow-eyed man from the streets is gone, replaced by a king. He feels invincible, on top of the world. He has everything. He pulls out his phone, a casual gesture to check the time, but a news alert flashes across the screen. He squints, his smile faltering. It's a face he knows better than his own, a ghost from a life he thought he'd left behind. The headline reads, Sinead Jaber, local entrepreneur, named Woman of the Year, his ex-wife. The woman who left him when he had nothing. Her picture beams with a success that rivals his own. In an instant, his brand new world shatters. The victory, the money, the power, it all turns to ash in his mouth. The game he thought he'd won has just revealed a new player. Burhane, looking powerful at a gala, takes a sip of wine, but his expression changes. He tastes only ashes. He meets Sinead in a traditional cafe. He offers her a check. She looks at him with cold disappointment. You think my youth has a price tag? Lemon, furious, confronts him. I gave you wings. She only gave you the ground. Why are you looking down? Episode 4. The Bitter Bean, coming soon.